My name is Ashton Ernest M. Arceliana from STEM 7 Makisig, and today we embark on a journey through the intricate world of knot tying. Knot tying is not just about securing objects, it's a fundamental skill with myriad practical applications, and these are the 8 types of knots that I will be showing you today. This is how you make the overhand knot. Make a circle and then shoot. Next is the figure 8 knot. And this is how you do the square reef knot. And now this is how you do the sheep shank knot. And this is how you make a slip knot. Pull and voila. Slip knot. This is how you do a clove hitch knot. So this is how you do a clove hitch. This is how you do a bow line.
Cessna.